So, last class we have completed our metal master related activities. The settings we have done. So, today we will go for number runs. Right? So, assigning number runs for that, what is the path? SPRO in IMG, Logistics General, Metal Master, basic settings, and then material types. In material types, that is different number runs for each material type. Okay, this is the path. Let me mention this one. Number runs, same. We have mentioned it here. Okay, define number ranges for each material type. Right. Execute this one. We'll get the interval. Go for the interval and you check here what are the intervals you want to take. As it is a demo server, a lot of intervals are there, and this is the serial number for that interval. Serial number, then from number, then to number. What is the inner status? Inner status means what is the latest material with number range it is created. Okay, for this number range serial number. This is a number range from 1000194 to 1000200, and now status it is 1000200. That means all the number range it is fully used. Okay, you cannot create any material here. So you create your own. So there should not be overlap on these number ranges. So you choose a number range. So today we have created one number range, that is ON. What is that ON? Where is this? Was ON 601000. What is the system? This is system 1100. Okay. Then go back. Just take that number range. So here, change the group. Click on change group. Here, create group. During creating the group, and you can type number range group for raw material. ORS raw material type. OROH number range. ON from number range to number, that is all 9. Put enter and then save. Okay, this number range is created. Previously it was not saved. Save. So here, check, we have created the group where number range is there, but here you check the element nothing but your material type. So for that material type we have to assign that group we created where number range is assigned. Okay, control F. Search your material type OROH. Enter. Double click on this. This is OROH, and then go for this assign element to group. Okay, this is the element. Assign element to group, the group we have created. So let's check here what are the group. For ROH we have created group O-N, right? Why it is not coming? Define filter criteria. Number range. Yes. We have saved, right? Let me check it again. So go for mmnr, that is decode, and in interval, display interval, that is on. One is not here. Create another. Create a group. GRP for ground material over OH. Number is ON from number to number. Put enter and then save. Interval on overlaps with interval 5. Okay, look here, interval 5, it's overlapping. For that reason it is not let us to save this one. So go back. What is the number 5? Just check once. For that copy this one, otherwise we have to write it again. Go back. No, we don't want to save. In another screen, go for mmnr, that is interval, that is number 5. Here number 5, only 5, right? Create on from number 601000 with only 5 interval, only 5, 601000 601 601 So we have to change this one, right? This interval we have to change that interval. Go to change option. You know, both side we have opened this one. For that reason it is coming in display mode, so we have to close this one. Okay, go to interval. It is go to 5. Here put 6999. Put enter and save. So what happened to what we did here? We just reduced two number. That was one, all zeros. We reduced to 6999, and we are and we will take this number. This is the last number here. So next number 601000 we will take in our new number ones. Okay, go back. and you go for change group. Here you create the group GRP for number rings raw material over OH. Okay. So it is the number range ON from number 6 1 0 to this number, put enter and save. Okay, now the changes were saved. Go back and here you search for your element, that is material type OR OH, enter, double click on this OR OH, then go for assign this element to group. What is the group? Here group, search for ON, come down, look here ON is coming, select on this and save. Okay, so changes has been saved. So here now go for checking whether this below this group our metal type is there or not. Go for ON. Look, here ON OR OH is there. Okay. To ON group OR OH metal type is assigned. Whatever the whenever we will go for creating any material with OR OH metal type, at that time what will the number range? The number range of which is assigned in ON. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so we have assigned material type to number range. Let me open again. Slash n ex for closing, logging out. So now go for creating material through mm01. Put enter. Put your industry type, that is same. Material type OROH what we have created. This is OROH, and go for selecting views. These four views we have make it as a default setting. Then go for organization label. That is what is the plan. OSP1, storage location 1000, OS 1000 with plant combination, and OK. So material ledger must be productive for this valuation area OSP1. Okay. How this material ledger you have to create this setting? Let's go to create this one. Okay. So in S4HANA, this setting is introduced, that is material ledger. This material ledger, this is FI related activities. So what we are going to do, this is three steps are there, that is OMH2, that is for create material ledger. OMH1, that activate material ledger, and third make material ledger productive. Okay, these are the three steps you have to do. This is FI related activities, that is material ledger. So in MM03, let's check first what is the material ledger, where it is mentioned. MM03, to take any material from drop down, put your plant type here. Suppose uh, I am taking my old plant. These are the material there. Put material, select views, go to organization level, plant, that is BSP1, storage location. Okay. Now check. In basic data, in purchasing data, in basic data, purchasing data, and your storage location and accounting entries. Okay. For all these, you have to fill up. So in accounting data, you check this material ledger is there. What is the material ledger activation? Select this one and go for help. You will get to know what is the material ledger. Material ledger indicates whether material ledger valuation is active or not. You click on this material ledger. It's the definition of material ledger. Okay. Product cost controlling tool that controls transaction data for materials whose material data is stored in material master. Okay. The material ledger uses this data to calculate prices to value the materials. The material data ledger is basis of actual costing. It enables material inventories to be valuated in multiple currencies and allows the use of different valuation approaches. Okay. This is the what the material ledger and how it controls. Okay, so this is part of FI. It's introduced in MM. So let's go for creating material ledger OMX2. In another session, OMX2. Here, look, different material ledger types are here. Okay, so create material ledger type. That's it. So create your own. Suppose we can take ML material ledger अपना OR OH. What's not taking only 4 character MLO description material ledger for OR OH. Okay, enter and then save. Customize the request. Okay, so this is the new entries what we have done. Put it in our screenshot. Okay, then go back. This material ledger type we have created. Then in what is the next step? OMX1. That is, we have to activate our material ledger type with respect to valuation and company code. Activate material ledger type with respect to company code and plant valuation area, that is plant. and company code combination. With respect to valuation area and company code combination. Okay, that is in OMX1. Just keep in mind that first two, then one, and then three. Okay, don't think that first one and then two, then three. In material ledger creation, in OMX2, then OMX1, and then OMX3. Okay, X2 is coming first for creating material ledger type. So here you go for position, you search here your valuation area, company code, and material ledger type. So valuation area, what is the valuation area? OSP1, I think, yes. Then okay, OSP1. What's the company code? OSBN is company code. So metal ledger is not there. Metal ledger type. So we have to put your metal ledger type and make it active like this. So go for it is in change mode. Just a minute. Let me check what is the issue on this. Yes, OMX2, then OMX3. That is the little bit mistake on this. OMX3 and then OMX1, because in OMX1 what is happening? OMX1, but it is showing that in position you put your valuation area, and here material ledger is not assigned to your valuation area. So to assign this one, we have to go for OMX3, right? OMX3. What is the OMX3? That is assignment of material ledger type to valuation area. Okay. So let me change here. Assign material ledger type to valuation area, that is your plant. Okay. So here new entries, put your new entries. So what is your valuation area? OSP1. What is your material ledger type? ML underscore O, right? Then enter. So company code is coming automatically and status is activated. Okay. ML currencies are allowed in FI. Metal ledger currencies are allowed in FI. Then save this one. So this is the TR. Change your transaction from enterprise structure to material master. OSP1. OSP1 enterprise structure. So create another. OSP1 material master. Okay, so it is saved. Take the screenshot of this. So this is step 2, and OMX2, then OMX3, then AMA OMX1. OMX1 is the at last. So slash n OMX1, put enter. What is it showing? It is showing that log data. Who is log here? It's a GPIT MM3, that is the self. So we have, okay, this is the OMX1 we have already opened here. So go back again, put OMX1, put enter, and here go for position and put your valuation area here, whether it is coming or not. Valuation area OSP1, then okay, and see, last time it was not there, and this time it is there, and it is also status is activated, and material ledger activated. Okay, so we have to activate this, activate of material ledger. Here you have to select this one, that is activated, and price determination. Let's check from drop down to, that is transaction based. Okay, so this is the setting, activation of material ledger. What is activate material ledger? Okay, first create, then assign that material ledger to valuation area, and we can say, and company code. I'm taking short from COCD, company code combination. Okay, and in OMX1 in third step we have to activate that material ledger. Okay. This is where take the screenshot. Fine, and then save this one. Now data is saved. After activating metal ledger, live data must be converted. Okay, and this is customizing request. Okay, and save. Okay, it is done. And let's go to create our metal master MM01 with material industry sector and metal type OROS. Then go to select views. This four as pre-selected, it will come. Yes, it's coming. For selected, then organization level, then plant OSP1, storage location 1000, and then okay. What is the error it is coming? Let's check. So metal ledger must be set productive for valuation area OSP1. OSP1, it must be productive. Again check. Anything we have left or not? Maybe it will be. It's a part of FI and okay. Can you search for T code for material ledger productive? Yes, CKMSTART. Yes, This we are missing, right? So put it in our note. That is step 4. CKMSTART. This format you take here. So just put this T code. It is a T code, right? Transaction code. Put your transaction code here and enter and make it productive for plant production startup of material ledger. Put your plant what is OSP1. Okay, background processing test run. Okay, just put and execute. Background processing job parameters, production startup, and confirm. Okay, so job production startup user it is scheduled. So let's uncheck this tool and again do the materials production. Okay, we have to uncheck that one, right? So uncheck that and this all will be in green. It is all our, we have made it productive, right? So this is the part of FI, but before that, before creating material, we have to set the material ledger. Okay. Now it's come to main part, material ledger activation. Okay, make material ledger as productive. So in our sheet, you can write down here, make material type productive. CKMSTART. Okay. So these are 4 steps. Let's take the screenshot of this so it will be better understanding. So up to this much I am taking. Okay. So this is step 4. So metal ledger, this is step 1 and this is the step control X I'm putting here, and this is the step 2 control X. This is step 3 and this is the 4th step. I'm removing this to step 4. Okay, these are the 4 steps for material ledger activation. This is step 1, step 2, step 3, and this is your step 4. Okay, these are 4 steps you have to follow and you keep it. Step 1 OMX2, then OMX3 step 2, OMX3, and so OMX1 and CKM STA. These are 4 steps. Then we will go for creating the material, create your material master with MM01, right? T code MM01. So in MM01, what you are doing? You are putting material ROH and go for selecting views. Let's check this time it is productive or not. We have selected these four views, then go for organization level, then plant OSP1, storage location 1000. Okay, so description look, what is the material number range? This is 6 1 all zeros we have created, but during creation of material type 3 4 errors are coming. Okay, for that reason the next number it is selected, that is 601002. So description, suppose notebook is that material group. What material group we have created? Let's check what material group we have created. This is MMHDR. Okay, so search from drop down MMHDR. So here search MMHDR. I don't know why it is not there. We have already created. So let's check again. Keep the screen as it is. So go to creating material group. So that error came, no? That's what it's I think deleted. Okay. So SPRO, go for path. SPRO reference IMG logistic general, then material master, settings for key fields. Here define material group, new material entries, MMHDR, material group description, put enter and save. Okay, now it is saved. Just a second. Okay, so we have created our material group. Go back and in our creating material screen, here you search for material type, sorry, material group. Create material group. What we have created, that is MMHDR. Come down. MMHDR. Look here. MMHDR is coming. Select this one. Then go for this much entry you have to put here. Gross weight, net weight, nothing is required mandatory for this. Then go for purchasing data. In purchasing data, previously we have created a purchase group. What was our purchase group? Let's check in our sheet. Purchase group, purchase organization, assignment, purchase group A01, right? A01 we have created purchase group. So let's check here. A01 is there or not. So A01, right? A01 is not there. The data was deleted. So again, we can say we can create, but I'm not creating right now because previously we have already gone through that process. So let's take another group. Suppose 301. Okay. Enter. And this is the purchasing data, sorry, plant storage data. In purchasing data, what we have seen, from here you can select the views. Base unit of measurement is copied from basic data. Metal group, variable order unit take at 1. What is the one? Checking drop down that it is allowed. Okay, that is active. Variable order unit. What is the variable order unit actually is? Suppose you are purchasing this material, you are creating the material type with unit each, but during supplier, what supplier provides, the supplier provides in carton, right? So in carton, what is the total number of notebooks will be there? Suppose 12 numbers or 24 numbers, something. Okay. So if you will not active this variable order unit during purchase order, you cannot select ordering unit, right? Means carton. At the time you have to select this variable order unit. So in variable order unit, put your variable order unit here, material group, purchasing group, and here GR processing time. In how many days you are clearing your material? Whenever you are receiving the material, you are going for checking the quality of that material, right? At that time, what is the time required for that? Okay, what is the dimension? What is the quality? You are clearing the material for processing the invoice, right? This is GR processing time. So put enter, and automatically you will go for plant storage data. Okay. Whatever we have selected in views, that only coming. It is activated and it is need to be activated, right? We have not selected this view, so it is not coming. So in storage data, you can put your storage bin here, and it's related to storage related, warehouse management related activities. And go to again accounting one. Here accounting one, what we have seen? We have seen price control. In material type, we have set for this price control. Check in material type also. What is the T code of material type? OMS2. In OMS2, select any material type and check. Suppose our material type, that is over OX, right? It's taking some time. That is over OH. Put enter and select this line and go for details. Here details, you check what we have provided, the price control, that is V. Okay. For that reason, it is coming as in creating metal, that is price control V, moving average price. Okay. And per price, unit price, you have to put here suppose 20 rupees per unit price. Put enter, and it is asking for valuation class. You have to put your valuation class here. What is the valuation class is? So valuation class, it contains the list of ledger accounts, general ledger account. What's the use of general ledger account? Whatever the price of this material that is consumed, that is booked, or that is loaded in this GL account, and that GL account is linked to assigned to this valuation class. So take this valuation class as raw material 3000. Okay. In our automatic account determination, we will get to know about more about this. Okay. So how this valuation class is determined? Go to material type. Here material type account category reference is 0001. In 0001, whatever the valuation classes are there, that will be shown to you in MM01. So in here 5 or 6, whatever the valuation classes are there, those many are assigned to, it's taking time. Okay, this many of valuation classes are assigned to account category reference. Okay, your account category reference. If you will select another account category reference, so creating the material type, some other valuation classes will come. Okay, so this is the function of account category reference here. So valuation class we have saved. And look, metal ledger, it is automatically it is coming as activated. Okay, so price per unit we have given, and we have completed all four views and then save this one. So after saving, what's the number range is coming? This is 601002. It is coming with our number range or not? First check this one. What was our number range? T code for lateral number range MMNR. MMNR. By path also we can go here MMNR. Interval. What is the interval of that is ON, right? So in ON, look ON. What is the number range? 60 1 0 0 0 2 60 1 999. Okay, and we have created, it is 601002, right? 601002 means within this number range. Okay, so next is display material type slash n go back display material type material master. What is display material mm03? Here what it is asking? It is asking for put the material number. This material number we created now. Then go to select views. It's taking some time, and battery is running out of battery. It's 4 are selected. Go for organization level, and card is OSP1. Storage location, that is 000 1 0 0. Then OK, and you can, it is on display mode. You cannot do any changes here. Okay, to do any changes, what is the T code? So if you want to check the changes, yeah, you want to change in another screen. For that, slash o then decode mm02, put enter, then another screen will open here. mm02, change material, put the material number, and same similarly select the views and organization level, put your label details and OK, and you can change here. Okay, it is in changing mode, so you can change any description and all material group. Okay, and then save. Okay, so today we have completed how to create material master and how to activate material ledger. Okay, so see you in next class.